Yes, that's me doing it. So we're in Port Harcourt. Let me take you on the view. I want to take you guys to the pool. I'm still doing the hotel tour in Port Harcourt. Hello, hi. Yeah, this is the name of the hotel, Sweet Spirits in the heart of Port Harcourt. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here. Dog.
Port Harcourt na oil state, you already know. Okay, this is called Stadium Road.
That's the mall over there. This is Loft. A traditional food of ladies and gentlemen, we're at the pleasure park. We are in the heart of Port Harcourt City, and this is the pleasure park. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know, if you're watching me for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good morning, Port Harcourt. Right now, I want to give you a view and a quick tour of my luxurious hotel in Port Harcourt. It's very nice. I love it. I love this. Join me and let's go on a tour. This is my room. So exquisite. As in, when I got this room, I was so happy to rest finally. This is my room. So the beds, love view, the love's pillow. You can see the artwork. You can see the artwork there and there. Everything is working. Put it on sports football. Packed my things up. That's my bag, a document, because I came to Port Harcourt to work. And this is me. Yes, that's me doing it. So we're in Port Harcourt. Let me take you on the view so you can see what's going on. Good morning, my neighbors. How are you doing? Port Harcourt on the Monday morning. You can see the ambience. This is my hotel room, my window view. There's a pool down there. We're going there very soon. You can see everything is beautiful over there. Oh, Port Harcourt is beautiful. I love Port Harcourt. I love the ambience. The cost of this hotel here goes for like $40 to $50 per night, and it's quite small, but I like it because it's very unique. It's at the heart of the city. That's why we are here. Tour guide of Lagos in Port Harcourt. Let's go on the tour and see what's going on in Port Harcourt. Yes. Okay. So that's it. And we're heading out soon. Let go. These are the cups for both. Yeah. You see the cover. Yeah. So. Yes, we're going to down floor. You can see the ambience. You see it. Everything is working. Clean, like this is one of the cleanest hotels I've been to. And it's cost friendly. There's one of the hotel here. There's a lift too. Right down, we are at the 4th floor. We're at the 4th floor. You can see the 4th floor. So we're waiting for the lift. We're waiting for the lift to come. very clean, like good ambience, good staff, everything is working here in Port Harcourt. And I want to take you guys to the pool. I'm still doing the hotel tour in Port Harcourt. Hello, hi, this is me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this for the first time, please kindly subscribe. So guys of Lagos, we're active right about now. We're doing the hotel tour. The name of this hotel, by the way, is Sweet Spirit. Sweet Spirit. And I'll show you guys. Oh, sorry. Still on the link.
To ana wazo a yi bi irin abincin da nake so zan ci a yi.
Almost there. Yeah, I'm going to do the ground floor. Right now, so you can get the free breakfast. Everybody's here chilling. You can see the breakfast here in the hallway. You see the guests who have all kinds of foods. Look here. Breakfast is ready, good served. Serving good, we have those foods, everything is going on. So, yeah. Everything is here. Is it a buffet? So, it's a buffet, right? Okay, it's a buffet. It's a buffet, right? Yeah. So, so every room's. Okay, I'm coming. So let's go to the hotel. This is the reception. It's how lovely, luxurious the reception looks. You can see everything is sharp. We're here. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this is the name of the hotel, Sweet Spirit, in the heart of Port Harcourt. In case you have been in Port Harcourt and you are looking for a nice hotel, this is Sweet Spirit Hotels and Suites, Danak, Port Harcourt. Very, you see, this is the compound. This is the compound of the Sweet Spirit here in Port Harcourt. As you can see, it's a very big compound. I think my hotel is somewhere at this 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where my rooms is, and so we're going to just go and see how. Look, they have the bus in case you're coming from the airport and you want them to pick you up. You just make your reservations and see it. And one thing I like about Port Harcourt is, like, you know, is the money city. It is where the shells, all of them are piling apart. You can see this is the hotel swimming pool. You can see this is how beautiful it is. Lovely. This is my spot. I love this spot. This is where I am. I just, you know, chills every morning. This is the bar. You can see the swimming pool, suites, kills, lovely, you know, ambience in the morning. Just come chill here in the morning. See the pool right here, green carpet, everything is cool. See everything here is cool. You see, you just come in the morning, take it, like, go to the pool, chill. She's gonna give you the pool vibe very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here right about now. I want to introduce you to one of Port Harcourt's finest. What's up? How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Good morning.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Okay, well, my name is Smiler. My full name is Ismail Abubakar. but I'm popularly known as Cake Smiler, celebrity manager.
Wow, celebrity manager. I just met him here sitting down and I saw his star from afar. I said, "Amo, this one a Port Harcourt boy. You're still there for the poolside early Monday morning." And so I said, let me just ask him a few questions. Since he's from, are you from Port Harcourt?
Anybody in a Port Harcourt, take up Port Harcourt boy. But literally, I'm not really from Port Harcourt. I'm not a Port Harcourt boy. I'm actually from the West. I'm a Yoruba boy. But I was born and brought up in Port Harcourt. Full-time Port Harcourt boy. I'm not gonna lie for you. Day body. So even though you are the camp, short, make a born English. I make a Port Harcourt slang so you can see Port Harcourt today. You see, you are the camp like this. Port Harcourt now you dey. Any man she when I'm born for Port Harcourt, a Port Harcourt boy. Whether you come from the west, you come from the east or the south, a Port Harcourt boy. And for Port Harcourt, things and things that happen. Normal thing. I see the view. View man.
So, like, what's going on in Port Harcourt now? Let's say just like it's very short note. We don't want, or like you say, what it be Port Harcourt? What people want to know? They get money. I mean, I just buy out. Really, they talk.
Port Harcourt na oil. Port Harcourt na oil state. You already know. You already know. Say Port Harcourt na oil state. Like oil did the country, oil did the state. This is a Niger data. So if you talk about oil by Port Harcourt, if you talk about what is crack. I don't say Lagos, Abuja, they get their own Port Harcourt tone. They crazy so. That got the crazy so. For money matter, they try, they try. But almost everybody now on phone calls of Port Harcourt. Everyone calls of Port Harcourt. Anywhere here without you, just go your own way. They will respond. They ask you who goes, they just do your thing. After coming down, if you don't say you know be anything, never answer, just walk out past. Like say if you left out, don't want to go collect water, they don't go fish and die it.
Yeah. No. This guy just spits fire for you. I'm a Port Harcourt, like say they're para for there, but we'll see what's going on. For people joining my channel for the first time, you're welcome to Talk Out of Lagos. And we are in Port Harcourt for I think this is my 4th time in Port Harcourt. And I'm enjoying the scenery this morning. Very lovely weather. There's no sun, very cloudy. You can see, chilling. Okay. Yeah, we're outside and decided to show me the street of Port Harcourt. What's going on here?
Man, just chilling, like as you can see, it's a new week, it's a new day. This Port Harcourt, so normal.
What's the name of this road?
Okay, this road is called Stadium Road. The road is called Stadium Road.
Okay, so where does this place lead to? Like the left-hand side there?
Okay, this left-hand side leads to Garrison. And the main stadium, right this side leads to Air Force Junction. From Air Force, you can go to Rumukurushi, Eleme, Rumufa.
Okay. Wow. I heard that there's a garden somewhere. This garden that all those park or something.
Okay, yes.
You
have a pleasure park.
Pleasure park.
Yeah.
What's going on in Pleasure Park?
Pleasure park is a very nice and good area where you can sit and relax, have a good time.
Oh.
They have games and they have a pool. There's a pool there too.
There's a pool there too?
Yes, they have a beach setting. They have cinema. They have all the seaside stuff and material. So Pleasure park is actually one of the fun places in Port Harcourt. Yes, it's popular.
Wow. Here we are. We're doing it.
Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Talk Out of Lagos in Port Harcourt. The first morning in Port Harcourt, and we see what's going on here. You see the road. First time in Port Harcourt. That's like the first time, you know. First time in Port Harcourt. said this place leads to Eleme,
Yes, Eleme, Air Force,
Air Force.
Sumukushi.
And this place leads back to Garrison.
Yes, and the main stadium.
And I was told that Garrison is a place that you want to get some equipment, film equipment. So I made my research. I saw some things going on here. There's a place called Casablanca.
Yes, that's true.
So
we are enough Pekus Day.
So
Yeah.
we are going to tour all the way of Port Harcourt. We are entering the port. Everything. We do everything. All those exclusive restaurants.
Yeah. We have Asian Town. We have Tiger Jump Club. We have when we're talking about good dishes, like good place you can have good food in Port Harcourt. We have Asian Town. Asian Town is actually like very exclusive. Not exclusive, it's a continental restaurant. And we have Pizza Mall. Pizza Mall, they have they do Italian dishes. And nice are very nice. If you taste it, just one bite, there's a difference.
Wow.
So that's just it. So Port Harcourt is a very good place to be.
Wow.
A very good place.
Everybody's going to work in the morning. It's a Monday morning. Everybody's going to work in Port Harcourt. So this is where we are here. We're gonna see what's going on. The new blue is here. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now we are leaving the port. Yes, we're leaving the port. So I'm heading towards Transamadi now. I want to go see a shipping company in Transamadi, and I just want to show you guys the surroundings of the Area 1 terminal I went to in Port Harcourt. That was the main reason why I'm here in Port Harcourt is to clear consignments, and I've gotten the information I need at the port, but I can't show you guys there because there are a lot of security personnel at the port. So right about now we're heading towards the streets of Lagos. Sorry, as I talk out of Lagos, we're heading towards the street of Port Harcourt. That's how we do it. I'm looking so fresh and fly right now. The time it is. This is Port Harcourt time. Let's go. See it. So these are the surroundings. You can see there. Body's going out. It's my chama, your boss. Hello. Port Harcourt. Oh, how Port Harcourt now? Everybody there. Yeah. So this is like the road. See the truck. I'm used to it because I work in Lagos. That's where the Harcourt Center is. The Port Harcourt is still very calm. I need to move around. There's a truck coming up. So go check it out. Check it out. Thank you. Yeah, thank God it stopped. Yeah, I'm walking down. Just want you guys to see. This is one of the major terminals in Port Harcourt. Area 1 terminal in Port Harcourt. One of the things here is that at the exit point of this port, there is a spa opposite it. That's where you see things going on. Come to Port Harcourt. It's a place of work, rich in oil, crude oil to be precise. And a lot of factories are here, both offshore and onshore. There are business areas in out of Port Harcourt. So we're here, we're doing it. Let's walk fast. Yeah. There's some of the Port Harcourt is very beautiful, it's very beautiful. down. Let's see what's going on in the mall. Hey, man. How are you? What's the name of your school? Harcourt. What's your name? Stella. How about you? Toyin. Queen. Oh wow. So what is the unique thing about your school?
Well,
Okay, you first.
Well, the unique thing is that they can teach, and I like the way they cooperate in our school. That is why.
Wow. Nice one. How about you?
I like my school because of my principal. She's so cooperative and she loves us. She can teach well. And I
Wow.
also love the school because they can calm and they lead us to our future.
Wow, nice. So what can you tell us about Port Harcourt town? What's going on in Port Harcourt town?
Well, I don't base on town. I stay at you.
Thank you. What's the name of your school again?
Harcourt Model Secondary.
See, Harcourt Model Secondary School. These are good schools. They raise your children to be effective in the society. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
So, right here, Lagos, Port Harcourt. Yeah. Yeah, this is the mall, man. Port Harcourt Mall. Let's see what's going on there. A lot of Oraimo, Agu, Pandoras in Port Harcourt. You can see the bush bar up there. See it? So unique. Royal Line, Port Harcourt Mall, Oraimo. Everything is. The lift. Let's go climb the lift. There's something about the lift, like once you are very careful. Be careful when you are trying to climb the lift. You see people jumping on it. Wow, this is beautiful. You see what I'm saying? Wow, absolutely. What is it? Where's? Okay, where's the where's? You don't want to be in camera. Huh? Look. Are they calling me? Eh? This one is calling me. Hello? I want to enter more. I want to enter office. Did they call me? Nobody's calling me. Wait, do you want me to video it? Oh yeah, let me video it now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Loft in Port Harcourt Mall. I think they sell all sorts of baby shoes, Crocs, slippers, and a lot of very nice. Where are these coming from? America or what? I think they have a lot of, wow, very nice. Like, what are the prices of these ones? Like this, especially these ones. 50K? Yeah. It's very cheap. It's very, very cheap. I urge you guys to come see it. Wow. Like, what about these ones? They're very nice and clean clothes. This green, let me see this green. So I don't want to show your face. Wow, man, it's very sharp here. Oh, this green is there. Okay. Yeah. I like it. Very comfy. Oh, 50,000. 50,000 plates. This for eh? What do you say? Not the green one. And is that inner this thing there? This one there. This one. Yeah, no, the one behind it. No, the one behind it again. Yes. Okay, this one, it has something on it. Okay. Harvest Group. Wow. Don't worry. What's the name? Loft, Abby? Let me show it outside again. Alright. So this is Loft. This is Loft. We're at the mall, man. We're live at the mall. Port Harcourt Mall. See fine girls. We're at the mall, yeah, man. Let's go. Jimmy equipment. Very nice designs, man. Selling so so we're at the mall. Something that we can video the people around. You can just video yourself to avoid any issues. The game. Oh. Wow. Got to get you. Wow. Chama. Sorry, can I ask you a question about this place, the gaming stuff? Sorry, please. Like, when did they open this place?
May I know you first?
Oh, sorry. Yes, we are here to. This one too. One side. How much the
This one 5.
You think I should go for that one?
What's the difference between this one and this one?
That's really different.
Waiting.
That's really different.
This one is what?
This one fish.
It's big, Abby.
No, this one is big.
Okay.
Yes.
This one for?
1,000.
Give me this one now. The sauce, Abby.
Yes.
So okay, this is traditional food of Port Harcourt, Abby.
Yes.
Roasted yam and roasted boli. This is everything sharp, maraba. If you are coming to Port Harcourt, you have to eat this delicacy. It's one sweet delicacy that you will not. So I'm in Port Harcourt Road now. I'm going to stop at eat. Oh my man. This is my first time eating boli in Port Harcourt. This is my fourth time in Port Harcourt, but it's actually my first time eating boli and all these delicacies Port Harcourt. So they're about to serve me now. So, yeah, that's my table. So God will prepare a table before me. Okay, you know. Yeah, so that's what we did. Yeah, they don't garnish them for me. And the garnish where they want to do. Oh, you serve the cake. See very well. This is it. A traditional food of. Okay, this was sweet, Abby.
You go well.
You go well, Abby. Okay, well, guys, you go well.
Over where the water?
Over where the water? Why they like this kind of food?
This food? Anytime I drop on my life, never remain the same.
Are you serious? Okay, no life for me. Well, like, what? So get, but I say Port Harcourt now. What's in the base for me? Say that their food look up this. Wow. Wash your hand. First thing first, you have to wash your hand. Look at your hand. Wash it clean. Wash it clean. Is how to do it. So you wash it there. Now let's start with the boli. See this thing. You don't see them yourself. Don't put them. Everything cho. You see? Everything cho. Eat it with all this the shupo we did there. And portharcourt there. Join me. Come on, that's true. They will top and say your life will not remain the same again. I said, my guy, we are both sitting together, man. It's like my chama here. You top him. Wow, it's actually very sweet though. Say, food was sweet. Now for the way they chop and you go, no. Fish go well. No. I'm officially a portharcourt man. That's it. Peter Odili Road in Port Harcourt. Everyday supermarket. Everyday supermarket in Peter Odili. Sight and sound of Port Harcourt City. See that? Very peaceful. This place look like Lekki. We are like Lekki. This look like Lekki place, you know. Very peaceful. Port Harcourt is a very peaceful place, you know. You can see a lot of cars going and coming in of Lagos. Of Port Harcourt, sorry. My mouth is still talking about Lagos. You're talking of Lagos and talking of Port Harcourt, showing all the creeks and lakes of Port Harcourt, you know, eyebrows areas, low keys, you know, everything is going on. Like go. Madam, they didn't ask to be wicked because there are a lot of people that want to sabotage your government. So I know I don't everybody, yes. Just do your own and know that this is what I'm doing. When I'm facing God, I know God will know that I've tried my possible best. Eh? Sorry. I don't care. What's up, Captain? What's up? You're safe. Yes, so we're in the city of Port Harcourt right about now. And I can tell you that Port Harcourt is a very beautiful place. Like, everything looks like Lagos. I feel like I'm in Lagos right now, but I'm just far from Lagos. Wow, Port Harcourt is so beautiful. Come to Port Harcourt, everybody. All the people from the diaspora come to Port Harcourt. It's a very beautiful city, Nigeria. You can see how the lovely roads are tight. Kekemarwa peaceful. You know, everything is working here. Wow, so peaceful. Going. Mosa. I love THCD. Going in, man. Lagos. This is Port Harcourt. See the big hole. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the pleasure park in out of Port Harcourt City. So this is where we are right now, and we're about to see what's going on in here. This place is very beautiful, like green areas here and there. You can see something going on. Things going on here. Hello, Jama. I did with you. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is Pleasure Park of the Harcourt, Port Harcourt. Restaurant, playground. So beautiful, man. So beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, man, look at this lake. This is beautiful, man. You can see the lake, restaurant going up, things going on. This is Port Harcourt City. It's one of the best cities in the south region. You can see it's so beautiful. Garden everywhere, you know. So beautiful. I can't wait till sunset when all the lights start coming up. You can see how beautiful this place look like. Wow. Come to Port Harcourt. If you're watching this video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're doing it, you know, talking out of Lagos. Right about now, every kicks and nicks of Lagos, every kicks and nicks of Port Harcourt, I'm gonna take you there because I'm gonna be at the right place and at the right time, you know. Let's do it. You can see. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with one of the beautiful ladies in Port Harcourt. You know, when you see some Port Harcourt lady, you know now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing you to Kelechi. Kelechi, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Wow. Kelechi's all smiled up, you know.
Because this is a bit awkward because it's the first time.
Are you serious?
Do stuff like this.
Wow. There's always the first time, you know.
Yes,
There's always the first time. So if I'm to ask you a question, like how are you? How's everything? How was Port Harcourt today? Like,
Okay, me, I'm good.
okay.
My weekend was basic, nothing to say.
Wow.
As for Port Harcourt, I don't know. For me, I've been here all my life and it's just okay. He came showing the park, and truthfully, the park is one thing that I would say I have really liked in PH because it's a place where I come to clear my head. And it feels like the air here is fresher. I don't know if it's because of the water or the trees or whatever, but the air here happens to be clearer.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
But the views, they
Yeah.
just assist you with thinking.
Yes.
You know, Chris, this country is
Wow.
already so stressful.
Okay.
So
if I will let you go now. I'm so sorry. I would like you to say, like people watching you from different parts of the world. You know, YouTube is a big channel, and they're watching from different parts of the world. What do you want them to know about Port Harcourt? Like, what are the unique things? It might be normal to you, but these people watching, it's amazing. You know, just imagine people watching from Korea, watching from America. You know.
I'm not a Rivers girl, and I have majorly been in the city, so I just know that there are unique cultures in Rivers State. That one is certain, and they have amazing food. I love food, so I know that they have good food.
Wow.
That's one thing I'm sure. I mean,
Wow.
I don't have a favorite food because you cannot be limited to one food when you have options.
Wow. I get you.
So,
wow.
As for Port Harcourt, good food. This is one of the fine places, like I said, I like.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've been in the city all my life, so I can't really tell much about other places, but I know that there are a couple of places that could be explored.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yes. I am.
Wow. This is beautiful. Well, this is beautiful. You can see this is Port Harcourt City, and we are touring it. You know, Pleasure Park, and we're at the right place and at the right time. As you can see, Kelechi is here to fill me up with loads of information about PH City. Lego.
Loads of information.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the Pleasure Park in the heart of Port Harcourt, and it's lovely here. Like the sun sets, a lot of restaurants, cinemas, beautiful ladies here and there, beautiful box office, taking a selfie, see beautiful. See them looking so beautiful here, like so beautiful. Like yo, there's a lot of beautiful ladies here, like Port Harcourt City. Hello, how are you? Okay, everything. Let's do something with them. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just walking down and I saw beautiful ladies, Port Harcourt ladies, and I decided to say hi. Yeah, I am. I'm actually a YouTuber, you know. Yeah, so okay, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I think they're having a good time. Hello, hi. Please, I'm a newcomer here, so I just saw this Pleasure Park, and I would like you to say a thing about. What do you say? You're new here too. Wow. So, you guys, I just came to say hi.
Alright.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, we're going back. Let's go. You can see the sunset over there. That's the sunset there. Beautiful sea view. You see the sea view there. Wow, there's a fish here. Wow, there's a fish here. I just saw something jump up. Wow. Saw a fish here, man. Something jump up. Oh, look at it. Somewhere. There's a fish there. Wow. Anita Jabala, I saw. Bed. Yeah. Wow. Shit. Let's go. We're just walking down the park, showing you all sorts of exquisite games, sight and sound of Pleasure Park. There's a paintball going up somewhere over there, and you can see Ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is. We are in the heart of Port Harcourt City, and this is the Pleasure Park. We welcome to my YouTube channel. You know, if you're watching me for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that a lot of people can enjoy the sound of different parts of Nigeria. Right about now, talking out of Lagos, we're active right about now. talking out of Port Harcourt. We're active right about now, and we're at the Pleasure Park, you know, seeing the serenity of the atmosphere in the out of peak city. Lego.